Ahmed is sleeping, Ahmed is dreaming, dreaming of a home he has never seen, where the soil is rich for growing olives, olives and flowers, and the air is clean. Hurry up, Ahmed, eat your porridge, the smell of porridge freshly made. Ahmed's school bag is hanging heavy with the brass and copper that the schoolboys trade. Tear gas shells and bullet cases become an oasis, a tower, a stream, dangerous, dangerous dreams. He's a dream-eyed boy in this place called Beach Camp. No beach, just garbage and dust on your clothes. Concrete boxes for 1,000,000 people, 1,000,000 people who can't go home. Ahmed cuts school and heads for the crossroads, the desert crossroads, the barbed wire line, where tanks and soldiers guard handfuls of settlers from the rock-throwing children of Palestine. Tear gas shells and bullet cases become an oasis, a tower, a stream, dangerous, dangerous dreams. Ahmed can't hear this bullet coming, only the music the future will bring, when Jews and Arabs can dance on this desert, and no one will dictate the songs they sing. Who needs this army of Zion? Who needs to build this killing machine? Steel-studded borders, cold-blooded orders. Who's afraid of children with dangerous dreams? Tear gas shells and bullet cases become an oasis, a tower, a